70 years, and still the tracks remember me. They remember the night the fog swallowed the world whole, when my wheels screamed against the rails, and the fire in my boiler burned hotter than any sane engine should bear. I was built for the Great Northern Line, proud, polished, steady. But pride can't stop madness, who's already stepped into the dark. My engineer, he wasn't himself that night. His hand shook on my throttle, his eyes fixed on something only he could see. And when Hillwood Station rose out of the mist, he didn't slow. He laughed. We tore past the platform like a bullet loosed from fate itself. People shouted. Someone rang the alarm, but it was too late. The rails ended, and we did not. We plunged into the night, swallowed by fire, swallowed by the earth, or perhaps something deeper. They say we vanished, that we were never found. But I never left. Not really. A machine remembers, a machine endures, and a machine long haunts. Every year, on the night of our fall, the veil thins. My wheels spark to life again, and the madman climbs back into my cab. Not alive, not dead, just bound. Bound to warn those who think they can outrun fate, or ignores the signs, or tempt the darkness that waits between the tides. So if you hear my whistle tonight, that long, low moan rolling through the fog, don't look for me. Don't follow the sound. And whatever you do, don't stand on the tracks, because I'm still running. And I don't stop anymore. Who am I?